Okay, let me show you how to submit changes that you want made to your website. First of all, you have to be logged in, but then once you are, navigate to the page you want to make the changes on and hit this little green icon you see on the right. So you can see when I highlight over any element, it actually outlines that section. Let's scroll down to here. We're going to submit some changes for this section. First of all, I'm just going to click anywhere in there and say change background to solid gray and submit. Okay, there we go. I'll close that. And then I want to make one more change. Let's hit this again. And I'm just going to click anywhere in here and say add this photo to the left of text. Okay, so I have to add the comment first, but then once I've added the comment, I can actually attach a file. So let's attach this photo. Choose. Now, while that's uploading, anytime you submit a new task like this, our team of support specialists are instantly notified and start to look at it. So some changes take longer than others, but we try to get all changes done within a business day. All right, so that's in there. Perfect. I'm just going to close that. Now, let me show you where all your tasks would be saved. We have this little list icon right here, and you can see we have two things. If you actually click on one of them, let's say we're higher up on the page, I can click on this, and it takes me to where that element is, and I can make another comment. So actually, let me make another comment and say, move this section up. And I'll make that comment. So if we had any questions, if it wasn't clear what was being said right there or what you were wanting, we would respond to you. You would get an email, and then your response to that email would actually show up in this thread. So it's really easy to track any back and forth we have, and we're instantly notified. It's not like we have to check our email. And if you have any other questions, just let us know. Give us a call or send us an email to support@infini.systems.